My daily routine. Slow English for beginners. I turn off my alarm. I open the curtains. I stretch my arms. I make my bed. I grab my towel. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I apply face cream. I put my clothes on. I tie my shoelaces. I make my coffee. I toast my bread. I slice a banana. I spread the butter. I pack my bag. I check my phone. I fill my water bottle. I zip my jacket. I lock my door. I take the stairs. I wait for the bus. I find a seat. I look out the window. I get off the bus. Thanks for watching.